to my channel. So today we're doing a red and gold Christmas makeup look. Well, eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go ahead and skip through the foundation because I just feel like it's boring and I've already done it a few times. So today we're gonna focus mainly on the eyes and the lips, and yeah, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can get details on what I'm giving away and what you need to do to enter it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is going in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. And I'm just gonna put that on my lips while I do my eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And this is in the shade 10 Fair. And then I am just priming my eyes. So now I'm gonna take just a small brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out really quick. I'm actually gonna go in with my beauty blender and touch this up. Okay, and now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, taking the Morphe M513, and I'm just dipping it into this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. Still taking the Morphe M513, and I'm gonna take this yellow shade. Make sure you tap the excess off of the brush. I'm putting that right in my crease. The Jaclyn Hill palette is really like the perfect palette for Christmas. Okay, and now I'm taking another Morphe M513 and I'm dipping into that red shade. And I'm just gonna start putting it right on my outer corner. I'm trying not to bring it up too high because we still want to have room for it to work up when we start blending it all together. And I'm bringing it all the way into the inner corner. Okay, and then now I'm just taking a clean brush. And this one, I think I got it in a set from Walmart a few years ago. So, and I'm just gonna start blending those two shades together. Okay, and now I'm dipping into that yellow shade again, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Or actually like a little bit above my crease now. I'm gonna take this brush. It's a double-sided brush. It actually came in my Naked 2 palette. I'm dipping into this darker red, almost purple shade. I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go back in with that M513 with the red shade, and I'm gonna start to blend this outer corner out. Okay, and going back in with whatever product is left on the M513 that had the yellow on it, and just taking that and blending that out again. Okay, and now I'm going in and I'm dipping into two shades, like the dark brown and the black. And I'm just putting the smallest bit on the outer corner just to really darken it up, or deepen it up. Okay, now I'm gonna go through all those steps again to blend it out. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again, and I'm gonna use it to just cut the crease, place it wherever I want the gold to go. Okay, and now I'm going into that gold shade in the palette. The gold shimmer, and I'm just gonna put it right over that. I'm actually gonna go back in with this little brush. Oh, I got some black on my finger. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of that red shade again and put it right in between the gold. You guys, I actually think I'm gonna take a little bit of this red shimmer and put it right there instead. I just feel like it'll look better than the matte red. Oh yeah, that's what I want. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Hold on. I'll show you. Woo! I'll show you what it looks like. But I have a little bit of foundation on it. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna do a little bit of liner. Okay, now I'm just doing a little bit of mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Okay, and now I'm using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. As you can see, I've used it a lot. It's really good. And I'm just popping this in my waterline, top and bottom. And now I'm just gonna throw on some lashes real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have lashes on and on this really small, I think it's like an eyebrow or eyeliner brush, I'm actually just gonna take the red shade and put it right underneath my eye. And now taking another smaller brush, looks like this, going into that yellow shade and putting it right underneath the red one. And now mascara on the bottom lashes. Okay. Now for lips, I'm just wiping off this. I'm gonna take the, what is this? I know it's Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Underage Red. You could wear red, you could wear nude, whatever, but I'm gonna wear red. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys love it. I love it. So let's go on to the giveaway. So for the giveaway, I'm giving away, that was a lot of giveaway, the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. This palette's really pretty. I'm gonna slide it out of the slip just so I can show you guys the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's very pretty. Just make sure use a really good eyeshadow primer or concealer for the base because the shadows tend to have a lot of fallout. You could also do your eyes before your foundation. But other than that, this palette's really pretty. I used to have it and I loved it. So that's going away to one of you guys. and all you have to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me why you want it, why you want to win it. And yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys Thursday. Bye.